This is a picture I took at the beach some time ago, and I was kind of happy with it, but I figured the thing I didn't like about it was it wasn't quite clear what the point of the picture was. Now this rock, the entire size of it is about the size of 2 human fists closed. So that gives you an idea what the scale is, but something's missing from here. There's no subject, so I figured I'll take a stab at using Photoshop to generate some kind of image, maybe in the water here. So let's see if we could, let's just use this and see what it does. Let me do probably lady standing. Let's use that. Now this could pass off as some kind of a pool or something, right? It's not big enough for a human being, obviously. Okay, that's garbage. Let's see what that does. Nope. Bird, maybe? Yeah, but it's not very sharp. Let me do something else. What if we do, let's do cat in water. Let's see what that does. Let's see, because that's not very sharp. What the hell is that? Jesus, that's garbage. Okay, it's not too bad. It's not too bad at all. Not too bad at all. Let me see if can I move this? I can. But then it won't be. Okay, that's not too bad. What if I get rid of this? Deselect. Let me put something on the rock itself. We put something on the rock. Let's do that. So if we put someone sitting on the rock, maybe let's put woman sitting. That'll be a good place, right? I think. We'll see. That's actually not too bad. That's not too bad. It's not a woman, but you know, it's a bird, so it's fine. That's not too bad right there. That's not too bad. Goodness mercy. That's not too bad, right? That's not too bad at all. Oh, let's try another one. What if I do, let's deselect. What if I do, okay, oh, I see. So if it's outside the plane of focus, it's not going to be sharp. I imagine so. So if I put something here, it probably will generate with the same out of focus. Let me see what's happening. Let's do tiger sitting. Let's see what that does. That must be it. Okay, the tiger looks pretty sharp right there. That one does. But let me deselect. Let me put it right here on this rock. See what happened. Let's get a peacock, which is unbelievable. How do you spell peacock? Cock. On this rock. See what that does. Let's see. That looks like garbage, huh? Actually, that one doesn't look too bad. It doesn't look too bad at all. That one doesn't look too bad, but then it's lost in the sauce. All right, let me try something else. If I do something right here, you know what, wait, let me do it right here. I'm gonna put lily pad. Is that how you spell lily? I think lily is one L or two L's. It's gotta be two L's. Lily. I don't know. We'll see. See what it generates. All right, can we make it larger? Let me see if I can make it larger. Let me try. I don't think I can. It's gotta be a way. No. No, I don't think so. All right, so that doesn't look too good. Let's deselect. Let me put then, this is good practice actually. Let me put then 4 large lilies. Let's see what that does. Let's skip to the next one. It looks like garbage. All right, so one more thing. What else can I put in here? What if I put, oh, let's put a gator. Let's put an alligator. Crocodile head just above waterline. Is that too specific? We'll see. Let me see. Well, that's interesting. Okay. Oh, that's not too bad. That's not too bad at all. That's not too bad. Let me try it again to see what it does generate. I wonder if it will generate based on the last option I selected. We'll see. Or will it just generate 3 more based on the prompts I gave it? Let me see. That's not too bad. Okay. I think I like this one more than all the others. I do. That's not too bad. It's not too bad. Easily overlooked though, I think. I still would put something else over here. It looks like this is missing something. I think so. So let me try to put something on this rock here. We'll call this, let's call this hawk standing on rock. Let's see what that does. Make it an elaborate scene, unusual, but make it an elaborate scene. See what that does. Oh, that's not too bad, huh? Goodness mercy. And now it looks like the hawk is staring at the alligator. Now the hawk's looking at me. That's interesting. I think, oh, that's interesting for sure. I think I would use this. I think I would use that. I would. That is interesting. That is very, very interesting. I like that a lot. I do like that a whole heap. All right, so that's what you can do with this, I guess. That's what you can do with that. All right, cool.